Should you use a annuity or actually keep your money in your 401k during your retirement? Let's get right into it. So when the question comes up, why do people compare these? Well, really because both are tied to retirement planning. So they tell themselves, well, I have a 401k, it's for my retirement, I think I'm good. Or hey, I have index annuity, it's for retirement, I'm okay. Or maybe I should just keep my money in a 403b, 457 TSP. Why should I even move it? Well, both are long-term decisions, right? Both serve very different purposes, though. So let's talk about what they are. What is a 401k? Or maybe you have a 403, 457 TSP. A lot of similarities. It simply depends on who your employer is. Okay. The reason why the 401k is more popular is simply because most people work for an employer that's for profit, so they administer a 401k plan. But if you work for a nonprofit, you have a 403b. If you work for a city, county, state, 457, military background, TSP, but they're all designed for accumulation during your working years, right? You get the tax deduction, you get the tax deferral. The growth is definitely dependent on market performance, typically the stock market or even the bond market, and they're all used for a long-term time horizon, typically. Okay, but what are annuities designed for? The role of annuities are really built to convert savings into income, right? You're really focused on protection and predictability. This is why younger people aren't using annuities because younger people, their focus is to accumulate growth and assets as they get pre-retired or retired. Now their focus is protection and predictability. This is why the conversation of annuities or index annuities comes up a lot more as you get senior in age. And once again, as I mentioned, they're designed for the retirement phase. 401k, 403, 457. As soon as you leave your employer, you want to move that into a traditional IRA, so much more advantageous. Then the question comes, what strategy or what investment do I do within my traditional IRA or even a Roth IRA, right? There's a lot of great tax advantages using a Roth IRA or even doing a Roth conversion. We're not going to get that in today, but you could see a lot of different opportunities you could do during retirement or even before retirement. But how to think about the choice, right? What is the right framework? 401ks, 403, 457, qualified retirement accounts, they're here to help you build wealth, right? You've been saving and investing money over the course of 10, 20, 30 years. That account has compounded and grown, moments where it's been negative, but over time, the stock market has gone up. But make sure it's all about the timing on where it is today. But annuities help you use that wealth, right? Protect a portion of it. Maybe that portion is 30%, 20%, 40%, all depends on what you're looking to do. But once again, it all depends on the timing and the goals more to matter a lot more than labels. Okay. Too often people get caught on the label. I want to do a 401k, a IRA, a Roth IRA. Well, that doesn't mean much without any retirement planning or income planning or even tax planning. It's all about the right choice for you. This is where we come in, where we customize and tailor the plan based on what you're looking for. Everybody is different. So the big takeaway, understand that financial instruments are different. Okay. Everything has advantages and limitations. It's not that one is better than the other. It depends on what you're looking for. What may be good for you might not be good for somebody else. Everyone's financial situation is different. Many retirement plans that we work with, they use both. It's okay to be in the stock market. It's okay to be in the bond market. Let's save some short-term money in a CD account at the bank. Let's also do index annuity. You could actually do all of it. It's not just this or just that or just that. I really say financial planning is A plus B plus C. Take advantage of what's out there, minimize your risk and your limitations by doing some of all of it. That's how you build a strong retirement plan going into retirement. Or if you are retired, definitely do an audit and looking at what you're doing. So the question is when, not which. Okay, so you will have questions. This is why I put together a free educational guide on index annuities. I called it Smart Growth and Safe Returns because this is what most people are looking for when it comes to index annuities. Request your free copy through the description below, but I appreciate you connecting today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button today. And if you're ready to take the next steps, feel free to schedule a discovery meeting with Core Financial Partners. Until next time, take care and keep building smart.